Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Royal LePage, Rockies West Realty in Invermere, BC, and I'm here today to talk about my listing, 4801 Nelles Crescent in Windermere. Well, let's go take a look at this beautiful house and beautiful property in a great location. So here's the view from the front street, and we've got a huge parking area and really nice. This front area is actually the brand new septic field. So you have the septic up in the front, and it also means that that side yard is available for other development and other options. And one of the really nice features is actually a septic dump for an RV. So you could connect an RV and have it connected down into the septic system. And here's the front of the house. So as you enter the home, you're greeted with the look and feel of a brand new modern house. Shows like a brand new home. So you've got beautiful vinyl plank flooring, really nice pot lights in the ceiling, and a beautiful open concept kitchen with really nice granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances. So if we follow along into this hallway over here, we have the main bath and 2 bedrooms. So the main bath is also a similar level of finishing with really beautiful tile here and really functional. So we also have a brand new washer and dryer, which is hiding in the bathroom here. So moving on to this bedroom. So in a sense, there are double master bedrooms with 2 of the 3 bedrooms having ensuites. So right now this is kind of open. A person could look at doing some kind of pocket door, sort of some kind of style of almost a barn door if they wanted to. But you've got this full bath here with a really nice shower. And then also a full closet. All right, so moving on to the other bedroom here. So this one it's a good size, and again, it has a full closet. And it offers quite a bit of space. So as we head beyond the kitchen and down this hallway, we get to see the 3rd bedroom. And one thing worth pointing out, this closet area here, which could be a closet or a pantry, this could be a potential location for a set of stairs down to the basement. As the house is configured right now, the basement access is through an exterior door, and the plan was to have the basement as a separate suite. But if there was the desire to connect the basement to this main floor, even part of the basement, there's an opportunity to put a set of stairs here. And the seller may actually look at doing that for a buyer if that is something that is important. So as we kind of go along here, we get an opportunity to see a beautiful back deck. And a real selling feature of this whole offering is just how big the lot is and how far back it goes into sort of this treed section here. So we'll go explore down there in a little bit and see the little stream down below, but definitely worth sort of checking out this this whole offering as far as the amount of space and the outdoor experience. And over here you see a second deck and a second door. We'll pop down there soon and see the basement that is accessed through that door. So this is the 3rd bedroom, which probably also would be the master. So it also has an ensuite. And again, really nice shower in here, very nicely finished. And we've got a closet here as well. So depending on how you configured, if you did put a set of stairs down, this closet may disappear, but there would be some room to maybe create a new closet sort of reconfigure things a little bit. Side of the house here, and this is kind of designed as a separate pathway and entrance to what could potentially be a suite in the basement, which would give a nice separation from the upstairs and the downstairs. All right, so this is the entrance right now to the basement, and as you can see, the basement is unfinished, although it's important to note that the basement is brand new construction. So you have a styrofoam ICF block foundation with new big windows built to today's code. So this is, although the space, obviously requires some drywall and some wiring to finish it up, the really expensive infrastructure has been completed in here. And that includes things like propane boiler system, in-floor heat, a new hot water tank, forced air propane furnace, and a sewer sump pump. It's also worth noting that the septic field in the front yard is also brand new. So these pieces are not cheap, and they've all been done with permits and to code. So it's roughed in for a bathroom down here. There'd definitely be an opportunity to put in a nice big full bath and then tie in a kitchenette to that plumbing. And depending on how a person wishes to configure this, you could just create this as additional living space. You could do a 1-bedroom suite and then have some space connected to the upstairs, or you could also finish this off as a 2-bedroom rental suite. And with current rental rates, the income from this suite would do a significant portion of the mortgage payments on a house at this kind of listing price. So this is kind of the area where you could get a staircase in on that hallway above and be able to potentially connect the upstairs and downstairs if you so desired. So here's a view of the house near the back of the lot. Well, not actually the back, because the lot goes very deep. But this gives you a little bit of a perspective of what it looks like. Tons of side yard space, lots of opportunity if someone wants to build a garage or be able to add on more sections even, and a big parking area. But a real highlight of the lot is this back section where you kind of get into a natural treed, forested experience, but it's still your land. So there's the opportunity to maybe clean up a little bit of this brush, do a little pathway down there, and there's a nice little stream. So let's go check it out. So really beautiful down here, mature trees, really nice experience. There are some environmental protections because of Jane Creek, the small stream down here. So you can't build any structures, but it creates a really natural area and a real bonus to the entire property. So here's a view of the little stream, and definitely really cool. Not every property has running water and also this kind of natural feel. So another thing that's kind of worth noting is just how far back this property goes. And there's actually some flags back here to kind of indicate the back of the lot. So it goes quite far back. Right to this sort of area here. And then to put things into perspective, we're kind of pretty close to the side boundary, and we're just going to pan back up. And at this level, with the elevation change, you're actually kind of hidden from the house, and so it's dropped down a fair bit. The house is just back here. Climbing back up from the creek area here, and now the house is visible, and you get kind of a perspective of just how far back the lot goes and just the change of scenery and how really cool it is to have that natural area in the back. So in conclusion, 4801 Nelles Crescent is a pretty unique offering. It shows like a brand new house. There's a lot of future potential and options for the basement space. The lot is really deep, and the location is excellent, being really close to the Windermere Public Beach and in a relatively rural and quiet area. This home would be viable as a cabin, but also a great option as a family home with that rental income potential and with such a great yard. So if you have any questions, please call your realtor and book an opportunity to view this home. It's also worth noting that the home is vacant and a quick possession is possible. Thank you very much.